Hello everyone, hello to my beautiful ladies out there. Welcome back to my channel. In this channel you'll be getting beautiful fashion styles, ideas and inspiration, and even hairstyles, ideas and inspiration. Before we dive into this video, please, if you're new to the channel, do it to like, subscribe, and please don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I upload a hairstyle trendy video that are trendy in 2024. And please don't forget to tell me your favorite fashion styles idea in the comment section below. I'll be waiting for your response. And to my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys. I really love you guys. Keep on watching Stylist Baby TV. So to this video, I'm going to be showing you beautiful lace gowns that are trendy. These lace gowns are so beautiful, they're so unique. You can rock any of these styles to any wonderful occasion of yours. These styles, I love each and every one of them. Please do it to watch the video to the end. I will see you in my next video. Bye.